guys, welcome to another video. Sadly, as you can see, I am not actually on Sky408 like I should be, because I actually got suspended for saying something. So, right now, I am going to be on my spear account, Sneaky Beaky Weeky 46. Yeah. So, and I'm doing it with Djdarkshadowrose, also known as hi, what I think? I don't know. And whitescourge40. My good old mate. Anyway, yeah, so we're having a collab, and it's gonna be really, really fun, and I can't wait to do it. So we're playing Outfit Wars, okay? Even though I've already done it with you. What's the theme, guys? What's the theme, guys? Huh? What's the theme? What's the theme? Yeah, exactly what she says. Mostly. Oh no. Okay, we need to look most like a party, guys. I mean, I've got these two things. I barely have anything, guys, or sorry. I'm actually fine being on this account. I mean, at first I was like screaming and crying of how sad I was because of the loss. But now I'm completely fine. Most like a party, huh? I'll be most like a party. That's all my red stuff. Oh crap! Wait. So sadly, done. I look nothing like a party, guys. I know I won't win, but that's mainly because I'm just scared still. She looks so much like a party. You know, I'm just gonna do my weird dance, because that's what all I can do is my weird dance. Guys, I promise tomorrow I'll be back on my normal account. If I have membership. Oh, crap. A couple of days left of membership. I don't have... Guys, comment down below who wins in this round. Yeah. Do I have any pets? I'm just curious. Pets. I swear I don't have any pets. If I have... Yeah. I knew this. I don't have anything Peppa. Help me, guys. It's the most like Peppa. Guys, I don't have anything Peppa. Sad. It's really sad. Guys, I cannot choose. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna lose because all I have is that. Peeps, I know you guys can see me, but right now it's just sad. I'm probably gonna lose. But hey, it's up to the people. Peeps, vote for me! Cause, no. Most like Halloween. Okay. See what you guys got, but I feel like I know what I got. I'm gonna be F-Man. Okay. Start! Be F-Man or something. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try out the F-Man look and see if it looks good. So, don't you have this? And you have this. No, you have this. You have this. And you have stripes. And undo it. Yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah. I'm F-Man. Boom! Boom, boom, boom. I'm just chilling out being an F-Man. Guys, I'm F-Man peeps. I know. No, least scary. Hey. Oh crap, I don't want to get suspended. I feel like I'll get suspended. You know that's scary, really? No offense, Maggie, but you don't. No, you copycat! You copycat! Copy wolf. Because you know I like a wolf. If we all become, don't tell me not all become. Okay, if she already has a horror character, I guess. I'm trying to do the exact same. Wait. Dang it. Guys, crafty, and I. Wait, what?